Hey, how would you like to have local businesses knocking down your door to practically force $500 and $1,000 checks into your hands? And no, it won't require any sleazy sales tactics or cold calling that makes you feel uneasy. The best part, you can start seeing those results within 72 hours or less. And when you use the system we've laid out for you here, you'll see that getting tons of local businesses to work with you is totally doable without a ton of work. It's the First Page Ranker Special Combo. It's one of the best ways to start generating a full-time income in the next 72 hours. There's so many local businesses starving to get the results that First Page Ranker delivers on demand, and they'll pay you handsomely to help them get those results. But enough talking, let me show you what's included in this upgrade. First up is the First Page Ranker Lead Generation Suite. We've taken all the guesswork out of finding the best leads to offer your Page 1 ranking service. By tapping into Facebook, you'll have all the local leads you can handle at your fingertips without the advertising cost. Just open the software, enter a few details, and voila, tons of hungry local business owners that are just waiting with checks in hand. From there, you simply send them an email, which you can do inside the software, and let them respond. No cold calling necessary. Next up is the First Page Ranker in-depth SEO Analyzer and Report Generator. You'll also be able to generate an in-depth report for any local business you wish to engage. This report will show the areas that their sites are failing in and what you can do to help fix it. The Report Generator puts together a pretty data PDF report that will impress all your local leads and make you look like an expert. Once you send this report to them via email, they'll look to contact you first to ask how you can help them fix it. When you access this option, you'll be able to quickly find out how any website or video is ranking with a click of the mouse. Learn the exact steps you need to take to boost rankings quickly. Instantly get a checklist with recommendations for optimizing any website for even better rankings and more traffic. You'll also get a complete SEO analysis that points out any errors that are holding a website back and how you can fix them right away. Point and click to help you get top search engine rankings fast, even if you're a complete newbie. Use it on your own websites or to boost client rankings. And just so you know, this report generator works for any site, not just that of your local leads. Then you have the First Page Ranker built-in email follow-up system. Remember how I said you'll never have to mess with cold calls? Well, this is the beauty of the First Page Ranker combo. The system already has an email follow-up built in, so all you have to do is send the report to the local business and let the system do the rest. You'll be able to create follow-up emails that pings the business owner and basically forces them to contact you about the Page 1 ranking services you're offering. So by the time you actually do speak, they're warm and they're already sold on paying you for the service. How awesome is that? Next, the on-demand push-button video creator that takes all of your images and creates a brand new video with just a click of a couple buttons. You don't have to be a video specialist or have a ton of technical skills. This video creator is easy to use and you can have videos ready to go in mere minutes. Then, there's the realistic speech-to-text converter. Use this option to place your text into our system and it will generate a real-life-like human voiceover for all of your videos. Once complete, you can upload to any channel you want. This is a great way to create tons of content for your channels fast without a lot of work. And finally, you can use it with unlimited YouTube channels. Unlock the ability to use this with every single YouTube channel you have access to. Doesn't matter if it's 10 or 100. You'll position yourself to dominate each one with ease. By adding this option to your order today, your local business clients will think you're a true SEO god because of all the Page 1 rankings they're getting. But little will they know, you've just tapped into a system that lets you exploit a legal loophole in Google for profit and rankings instantly. And don't worry, we won't tell them your secret. The best part is that it won't take you forever to get your clients' work done. By getting access to this level of First Page Ranker, you'll be able to manage your clients' Page 1 ranking campaigns in no time and get on with your day. As we said before, First Page Ranker is an incredibly powerful app on its own, but when you add these features, you can literally set yourself up to start generating multiple $500 and $1,000 payments over and over again within the next 72 hours. So go ahead and add this to your order now. Once you do, your account will be upgraded automatically. That way you can start using all of the tools in First Page Ranker combo to start helping you collect loads of checks from local businesses within the next 72 hours or less. Go ahead and get access now, and I'll see you on the inside.